From our research in Australia and Europe, we found that even experienced installers spend nearly 30% of their day on small repetitive tasks, such as adjusting modules, calibrating parts, and swapping toolbits. To solve this, Anti-Solar developed the SnapFit Click-In system, a universal solution for all rooftop types. With integrated grounding and elastic-driven design, SnapFit can increase installation efficiency up to 50%. Specifically, the SnapFit Click-In system has completely reimagined installation standard from two perspectives: component integration and operation process. First is all about the high pre-assembled components. We replace traditional scratched parts with integrated piece. The key breakthrough is that grounding pins are built directly into the mid and end clamps, eliminating the need for extra grounding clips and cutting on-site adjustment time. The clamps are also highly flexible, fitting most standard modules from 30 to 40 mm thick. This factory preppy ready-to-use approach moves complexity of the roof, turning installation into a simple modular process. Second, SnapFit Click-In system simplifies the actual installation actions. The core components here is the injection mold spring, which is what sets SnapFit apart from conventional clamps. Unlike common helical springs, our injection molded spring provides both presses, positioning, and support, allowing the clamps and rotate smoothly, lock instantly. Traditionally, installers had to wiggle rails, lift clamps and bolt into inverters, which consumed time and energy. With SnapFit system, installation comes down to just three simple actions: place, rotate, and click. You place the rail on the U-base support and it drops right into the place. Rotate the clamp to lock the module and snap the inverter into the position. No tools are needed and no repeatable lifting is required. Just those three steps can cut installation time by up to 50%. From the lab to the roof, SnapFit Click-In system redefines installation efficiency and user experience. Complex steps are handled in the factory, leaving simple, fast operation on site. When installation is easier, workers can focus on meaningful work. Together with our partner, we bringing into the Flash installation era for solar mounting system. Now let's head to the workshop and take a close look at Anti-Solar's excellent production and quality control.